Hi, morning. Today we would like to share some information about VENTA air washer. Okay, so right now you can see this is a VENTA air washer product. It's a purifier humidifier, two-in-one, which is fully made in Germany. Okay, so in front of us, this is a model LW45 original. Okay, in white color. Okay. So, what is actually difference between air washer and purifier in the market or humidifier in the market? Okay, so Venta air washer is basically just use water to purify the air, and then it trap the air bonds like pollens, dust, or dust mite, or others like maybe we can say a pet hair as well. So that will be trapped into the water, not in the filter. Because of normal air purifier that will have a few layers of filter, then you need to change the filter maybe 3 or 6 months later. That is will be cost you some costs in terms of changing filter, and it might be have facing obsolete problems in maybe 3 or 5 years later for your existing motor. So Venta air washer is actually give you an option which is using water instead of changing filter. Okay, how to operate your Venta air washer is quite easy. For this model LW45 original, so it will just have a on and off button and also the fan speed adjust. Okay, so initially we would like to say that we need to put water into the machine first, then only you can on the machine, so like that. Okay, so because of this machine we have already filled in the water, so later on we will show you the bottom parts. Okay, so you just click on and then adjust the fan speed you like. Okay, so for this Venta air washer, right, suction will be on top. It will suck in all the airborne going into the machine from top side and then going through to the roller. So they will wash out the air, and then all the dirt will be trapped and then put into the water. So what you need to do, just change the water. There will be a considered new filter, and then you can on this machine 24/7 non-stop, because the consumption level is only maximum fan speed 3 will only consume you 8 watts. Okay, so we do calculation before, which is you running 24/7, it will only cost you maybe 28 ringgit per years. Okay, so that is quite effectiveness in terms of purifying, which is also cost saving. Okay, for long term running wise, this machine easily can run maybe 5 or 10 years. So of course we will let you know how you do some daily maintenance for this machine, and then what kind of maybe tiny parts they need to change after that. Okay, so it's quite easy. So right now we turn off the machine and then we show you the bottom parts. Okay, so this machine they consider top and bottom parts. So inside the bottom, so there we have a two roller for this LW45, and then you just have to put water to the water tank, water reservoir. Okay, so how is it function? Just now we mentioned that the suction will be on top, side in. Then this roller, because of keep on rotating, their surface is wet, so able to trap the airborne. So when it trap in this roller disc, when it turn it down also, it will put into the water, and then they will sink down because of the water can make the particles become heavy. Then you can definitely see some dirt in the bottom part quite some time. Okay, so for in between, it purify, it can also humidify the air, because when the fan is blowing air into the machine, the moisture will be carried out from this machine as well. Okay, then it can be purified and humidified. Of course, you can even add some maybe disinfectant into the machine to do some sanitization, or else if you like the fragrances, you can just put the essential oil or fragrance into the water. So in the meanwhile, it purified and humidified, it can be have aromatized or sanitization effectiveness for the machine. So basically every time you change water, there will be a new filter, and then you no need to suffer about changing costs in terms of filter. Then you can on it 24/7, run it until water dries up. Then you can just change the water and clean it up the unit. So for recommendation, service wise, you need to do maybe 6 months later, or every 6 months, okay, to do the cleaning job for clean up the base for this reservoir and also this roller. So you can have to raise it or spray it all around this. Okay, so what will be on top of the top parts? Okay, so you can see the bottom for this top. Okay, they contain a fan and also gear and also one of the plastic, we call it coupling. So when this fan turning, right, this gear will keep rotate, biting the roller to turn. Okay, so of course, when you run the machine, definitely the surface of the machine will be very dirty quite some time later. So how we do the cleaning job for this machine? You can just take out the fan to clean out. Okay, then how you do? You off the machine and then click these two buttons, then open up the side panel, front and back. Okay, so you can see the fan. You can just unplug it. Okay, and then you can take out this wire, so the rest you can just wash it all around. Then for this fan wise cannot be contacted with water, so you have to put a void from water, and then after you clean up those dirt in this casing, you can just assemble it back. So it's a quite a simple and effectiveness machine from Germany, which is trusted quality. So we are here to sharing this product, which is different between the purifier, which is in long term running wise, you can really save a lot of cost, and then it can really help for people who have sinus asthma, asthma, because we realize that for those problems we mentioned just now, not only because of the DA, it's also a dry air problems, because we spend a lot of time right now in air conditioning room, so that will cause our air become dry, so we need some moisture. But if you use normal air humidifier, it may be cause you over humidify as well. But Venta is using this cold evaporation technology to purify and humidify, so that will never cause you over humidify for your environments. So that is what we're going to share by today. For further information, of course, we do in this version of video. So thank you very much for this sharing. Thank you.